I made the our largest paper airplane out of 15 pieces of paper, and I thought it would be boring to see me just take paper to paper to paper to paper to paper to paper. So I'm just gonna unfold it right now. That's so big. It's not that big.
You fold it right here in the middle. Right, this is the middle.
Done?
Mm-hmm.
Made out of 15 papers. Can you help me make the get part of it?
Mm-hmm.
I think I messed it up.
It's alright, it'll be fine.
Can I go out now?
Yeah, Connor.
Can I go out now, Mama?
Right, fold it in here.
Are you doing sidewalk stuff?
There's so much space right here.
That's okay. It should be fine.
That's Siri's sister. Unbend it. Full moon. It's a full moon. Come and see. It's a full moon. Come and see. Too late. We're already making it.
Fold the other part like that.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. Alright, fold it in half.
Wait. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then bend it back. I got this from my best friend Caden from kindergarten, and once he made a paper airplane the size of his brother Dylan, and then I decided that I'd want to make a paper airplane the size of like
Your brother?
no, the size for you.
Uh-huh. Alright. Flip it over.
Okay.
This part.
Instruction. Should I stop the video or make a part 2 where we fly?
What I would do is.
I want to make a part 2.
Alright, stop it there. Alright, we're outside. We're gonna give it a shot.
Let's see if
World's-
it reaches the
World's
moon.
largest paper airplane flight volume 1. Trial 1. Ready? Launch it. Oh no.
Attempt 1.
Alright, attempt 1. Fail. Nosedive.
Imagine it. I was thinking the next time I fly it, when it hits the ground, it's just gonna, the whole world is gonna explode. It's gonna be like.
Alright. Here, maybe come over here.
See if I can reach it. Attempt number 2. Oh.
Nosedive.
Attempt number 3. This time I'm doing it the other way.
Alright, attempt number 3. Go.
Not yet.
Okay. That one flew a little bit.
Wait, you need to try it one more time. It feels like it's melting. It bent so much. It's breaking apart.
Yeah.
This is the last attempt.
All right, last attempt. Here we go. Attempt 4. The lucky one.
Go. Go.
Oh, that one turned.
One more try.
All right, one more try.
Oh. Well, that one flew.
What happened?
It flew into the plant.
Oh, no.
This
All
thing
right,
does not want to move.
last attempt.
Go.
That one got some distance.